Okay, what I'm going to show you here is I don't want to start it up because it's not making the sound anymore because I kind of corrected it. Well, what was happening is this bolt, nut, washer, and first pulley, they can move when I get a wrench on here. Well, I'll show you. See this? See? Watch everything. Everything spins except for the back pulley. And this way too. See? Wait, I think the pulley moved. Oh yeah, okay. The other pulley, it moved that way. Well, when I put the... See that? I put the screwdriver in there. It doesn't pull that way. I might have to start it up anyway. But see, it does that, and then on the way back, well, let's just get it here. It's hard to hold that. Okay, I did it. See, that way, and this way. See? When I start it up, it goes ring, 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 ring. It sounds like I have a rotary phone back here. And so what I did is I got a grinding disc while the engine was running, and I slit the grinding disc in here, because as you can see, the gap is touching. See? But see, you see how it's grinding down that metal on the alternator itself? This part of the pulley was in like this more on this side. So I just put the sand disc right through here and just and then that grounded the zinc pulley in a bit, and now it's not, when I'm driving, it's not grinding on alternator, you know, this bracket thing, and shooting all this metal. See, you can see the metal right there shooting all off, and it's all everywhere. So although it did not fix this problem, it remedied the sound, and it also keeps the belt, because this belt's kind of loose now because the pulley, you know, this one spins. When it's going, they both spin together, so that's fine. So it works out okay. But next Friday, today's Friday, but next Friday I'm replacing the whole alternator, so to fix that, because you can't take this off. You can't tighten it or loosen it, so, or loosen it or loosen it or tighten it. So we're gonna have to probably cut the belt and then grind this whole thing off. I don't know, maybe we won't have to take this off. We could just take the whole shroud or the fan shroud out, but I'll figure it out and I'll send a video on that. I hope that gives you kind of an idea if you ever run into this problem.